Next row may rise. Calvin Meany, an extremely active student of ours, and his list is too long to read, but I'll read some of the highlights. A member of the Kappa Psi Pharmaceutical Fraternity, Rho Chi National Honor Society, Phi Lambda Sigma National Leadership Society, the American College of Clinical Pharmacy, American Society of Health Systems Pharmacy. He's received several recognitions and scholarships. He was accepted a pharmacy practice residency at the University of Maryland Medical Center in Baltimore, and his research was the genomic and cellular markers of chronic allograft function under the direction of Dr. Kathleen Tornator. Congratulations, Dr. Meany. Scott Wilson. Dr. Wilson is a member of the American Pharmacists Association, a Kappa Psi Pharmaceutical Fraternity where he served as treasurer, the Pharmacists Association of Western New York. He received the Cecil and Violet Newton Scholarship in 2009, and he hopes to pursue a career in hospital pharmacy. Congratulations, Dr. Wilson. Manuel Villaverde. Dr. Villaverde was a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacists Association of Western New York, the Pharmacy Society of the State of New York, a member of the Kappa Psi Pharmaceutical Fraternity. He worked as an intern for Walgreens Pharmacy, and he hopes to pursue a career in community pharmacy, but also a master's degree in business administration. Congratulations, Dr. Villaverde. Kristen Barrell. Dr. Barrow was a member of the Kappa Psi Pharmaceutical Fraternity, American Pharmacists Association, American Society of Health Systems Pharmacists, and the Pharmacists Association of Western New York. She worked as an intern at both Sides Pharmacy and Rite Aid Pharmacy, and she's accepted a position with Rite Aid Pharmacy in Rochester, New York. Congratulations, Dr. Barrow. Alicia Harrison, excuse me. Dr. Harrison was a member of the National Community Pharmacists Association, member of the American Pharmacists Association, member of the Kappa Psi Pharmaceutical Fraternity. She served as a pharmacy intern at Summit Park Pharmacy, and she hopes to pursue a community pharmacy in Baltimore, Maryland area. Congratulations, Dr. Harrison. Benjamin Wee. Dr. Wee is a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacists Association of Western New York, the American Society of Health Systems Pharmacists, and the Western New York Society of Health Systems Pharmacists. He worked as an intern at Sisters of Charity Hospital the last few years, and he's accepted a first-year pharmacy practice residency in Kingsbrook Jewish Medical Center. Congratulations, Dr. Wee. Johnny Hahn. Dr. Hahn is a member of the Pharmacy Leadership Society, Phi Lambda Sigma, Kappa Psi Pharmaceutical Fraternity, American Pharmacists Association, American Society of Consultant Pharmacists. He was a Dean Student Ambassador. He worked as an intern at Walmart Pharmacy, and he hopes to pursue a career in community pharmacy. Congratulations, Dr. Hahn. Anand Shah. Dr. Shah was a member of the American Society of Health Systems Pharmacists, the Western New York Society of Health Systems Pharmacy, the Rho Chi National Honor Society, Kappa Psi Pharmaceutical Fraternity. He worked as an intern at the Mount Sinai Medical Center the last few years, and he's accepted a pharmacy practice residency at the Allegheny General Hospital, specializing in oncology and critical care. And his professional research was cholesterol drugs that improve disease-free survival in type 2 diabetics with breast cancer under the direction of Dr. Alice Ceccarino. Congratulations, Dr. Shaw. Kruti Parikh. Dr. Parikh was a Dean Student Ambassador, a member of the Rho Chi National Honor Society, the American Pharmacists Association, the American Society of Students of Pharmacy, and she served as an intern at Walmart Pharmacy the last few years, and she's accepted a position with Costco in Ajax, Ontario, Canada. Congratulations, Dr. Parikh. Kyle Mack. Kyle Mack was involved in several areas, but the biggest area he was involved is he was in our PharmD JD program. He has passed his New York State bar exam. He is a licensed lawyer, and now finishing up his pharmacy degree. His future plans is to work in pharmaceutical products, liability, litigation, and regulatory compliance counsel. Congratulations, Dr. Mack. Sean McMaster. Dr. McMaster was a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacists Association of Western New York, and the Pharmacy Society of the State of New York. He worked as an intern at the Buffalo General Hospital the last few years, and he'll be moving to North Carolina with his family and starting a professional career there. Congratulations, Dr. McMaster. Matthew Foster. Dr. Foster is a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacists Society of the State of New York, and the Pharmacists Association of Western New York. He worked as an intern at both Rosencrantz Pharmacy and Target Pharmacy, and he hopes to pursue a career in community retail pharmacy. He did a research under the direction of Dr. Murali Ramanathan entitled The Associations of Alcohol Consumption with Clinical and MRI Measures in Multiple Sclerosis. Congratulations, Dr. Foster. Yu Ching Tse. Dr. Tse was a member of the American Society of Health Systems Pharmacists, the American Pharmacists Association. She worked as an intern for Rite Aid Pharmacy the last few years. Her research was the effect of insulin on promoting tumor growth in high-fat diet-induced diabetes in mice under the direction of Dr. Alice Ceccarino, and she hopes to pursue a career in hospital pharmacy. Congratulations, Dr. Tse. Hoi-Man Ma. Dr. Ma was a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacist Society of the State of New York, and the Pharmacists Association of Western New York. She was also a member of the Western New York Society of Health Systems Pharmacy. She'd like to pursue a career in community pharmacy. Congratulations, Dr. Ma. Seems to be a problem today. Dr. Perello, Richard Perello. Dr. Perello was a member of the Pharmacists Association of Western New York, the Pharmacy Society of the State of New York, and the American Pharmacists Association. He worked as an intern for Rite Aid Pharmacy for the past few years, and he's accepted a pharmacist position at Rite Aid in Buffalo, New York. Congratulations, Dr. Perello. Leah Heckler. Dr. Heckler was a member of the American Pharmacists Association for the past 4 years, along with the Pharmacy Society of the State of New York and the Pharmacists Association of Western New York. She worked as an intern for CVS Pharmacy and at Kenmore Mercy Hospital Pharmacy for the past few years. She's accepted a pharmacist position with CVS Pharmacy in Buffalo, New York. Congratulations, Dr. Heckler. Christina Allen. Dr. Allen was a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the American Society of Health Systems Pharmacists, the Pharmacist Society of the State of New York. She was an intern with CVS Pharmacy for the past 4 or 5 years, and she's accepted a position with CVS Pharmacy as a pharmacist. Congratulations, Dr. Allen. Anthony Peterzak. Dr. Peterzak was a member of the Student Pharmacists Association of Western New York, the Pharmacist Society of the State of New York, the American Pharmacists Association. He worked for the past 4 years for Rite Aid Pharmacy as an intern, and he signed as a pharmacist with Rite Aid in Erie County to work in the North Towns. Congratulations, Dr. Peterzak. Catherine DePaulo. I dare say I've never seen her without a smile on her face. She's a member of the American, that's an inside joke. She's American Society of Health System Pharmacists, the American Pharmacists Association, and the Pharmacists Association of Western New York. She received the award as a student liaison in the Valor program in the New York State VA healthcare system. She has accepted a first-year pharmacy residence at the James J. Peter Department of Veterans Affairs Medical Center in Bronx, New York. Congratulations, Dr. DePaulo. Brian Ames. Dr. Ames is a member of the American Pharmacists Association, Pharmacy Society of the State of New York, the Rho Chi National Honor Society. He worked for the past few years as an intern in Cuba Pharmacy in Cuba, New York, and he's accepted a position as a pharmacist for Walgreens Pharmacy in Buffalo. Congratulations, Dr. Ames. You may sit down. And next row, please rise. Melissa Appa. Dr. Appa is a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacist Society of the State of New York, and the Pharmacist Association of Western New York, the American Society of Health Systems Pharmacists. She has accepted a first-year pharmacy residency at the Buffalo Medical Group in Buffalo, New York. Congratulations, Dr. Appa. Tao Doan. Dr. Doan is a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacy Society of the State of New York, the Pharmacists Association of Western New York. She's a member of the Rho Chi National Honor Society. She worked as an intern at Independent Health Medication Therapy Management Pharmacy Program, and she's accepted a staff position at Tu Quo Pharmacy. Congratulations, Dr. Doan. John Wynn. Dr. Wynn is a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacy Society of the State of New York. He's been on the Dean's List. He hopes to provide professional services and gain experience in community pharmacy. His professional research was dietary sugar and management of diabetes via intestinal tract under the advisor of Dr. Jerome Shentag. Congratulations, Dr. Wynn. Xinwei Fu. Dr. Fu was a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacist Society of the State of New York, the Pharmacists Association of Western New York, and she hopes to pursue a career in community pharmacy. Congratulations, Dr. Fu. Kevin Su. Dr. Su is a member of the Western New York Society of Health Systems Pharmacists, the American Society of Health Systems Pharmacists, the Pharmacists Association of Western New York. He worked as an intern at Roswell Park Cancer Institute and Wyoming County Community Hospital, and he plans on working in a hospital-related field. His research was the relationship of single nucleotide polymorphisms in P glycoprotein and cytochrome P450 3A enzymes with triglycerides in HIV-1 infected patients receiving protease inhibitors under the direction of Dr. Ching Ma. Congratulations, Dr. Su. Vin Tran. Dr. Tran is a member of the National Community Pharmacists Association, American Society of Consultant Pharmacists, and the American Pharmacists Association. He received a Schomburg Fellowship for the past 3 years. He worked as a pharmacy intern at Walmart Pharmacy, and he has accepted a job in hospital pharmacy at the Utah Poison Control Center. Congratulations, Dr. Tran. Kelly Chan. Dr. Chan is a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacist Society of the State of New York, the Pharmacy Association of Western New York, and she's accepted a first-year pharmacy residency at the Valley Hospital in Richmond, New Jersey. Congratulations, Dr. Chan. Shanna Begg. Dr. Begg was a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacy Society of the State of New York, and the Pharmacists Association of Western New York. Her research was entitled The Pharmacogenetics of Carbonyl Reductases under her faculty advisor, Javier Blanco. She plans to return to St. Louis and join her family in practice. Congratulations, Dr. Begg. Susan Lee. Dr. Lee is a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacist Society of the State of New York, and the Pharmacy Association of Western New York. She worked as an intern at both CVS Pharmacy and the Dartmouth-Hitchcock Medical Center Outpatient Pharmacy. And she's accepted a position at as a pharmacist at the Dartmouth-Hitchcock Medical Center in Lebanon, New Hampshire. Congratulations, Dr. Lee. Lisa Anderson. Dr. Anderson is a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacists Association of Western New York, and the Canadian Pharmacists Association. She will be marrying her high school sweetheart in the summer of 2012 and will be running a new pharmacy in Fort Erie, Ontario, located in a local doctor's office. Congratulations, Dr. Anderson. Sarah Whiteman. Dr. Whiteman is a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacists Society of the State of New York, and the Pharmacists Association of Western New York. She worked as an intern at both Kinney Drugs Pharmacy and Rite Aid Pharmacy, and she's accepted a position as a pharmacist for Rite Aid Pharmacy in Jamestown, New York. Congratulations, Dr. Whiteman. Amy Brightbill. Amy was a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacy Society of the State of New York, and the Student Pharmacy Association of Western New York. She was on the Dean's List for the last 3 years. She worked at both Atkins Pharmacy and CVS Pharmacy, and she's accepted a position with CVS Pharmacy in the Hudson Valley, New York area. Congratulations, Dr. Brightbill. Olua Towin Farbiayi. Dr. Farbiayi was a member of the Student National Pharmaceutical Association, where she served as president the last 2 years, the American Pharmacists Association Academy of Pharmacy, where she served as vice president, and the Student National Pharmacy Association, where she served as secretary from 2008-2009. She was an intern for Walgreens Pharmacy, and she's accepted a position with Walgreens Pharmacy in Rockland and Westchester counties. Her research was entitled The Assessment of Osteoporosis Prevention and Treatment in Patients with Gynecologic Malignancies Following Total Abdominal Hysterectomy and Bilateral Salpingo-Oophorectomy Surgery, under the direction of Dr. Rybin. Congratulations, Dr. Fayarbi. Angela Maora. Dr. Maora was Vice President of the Student National Pharmacists Association, a member of the American Society of Health Systems Pharmacists, the Western New York Society of Health Systems Pharmacists. She worked at CVS as a pharmacy intern, and she'll be working for CVS and possibly pursuing a residency in the future. Her research was entitled A Comparison in the Gene Expression of ABCC1, MRP1, and ABCC2, MRP2, between the maternal and fetal peripheral mononuclear blood cells at delivery, under the direction of Dr. Patty Havard. Amber Kelkenberg. Dr. Kelkenberg was a member of the American Society of Health Systems Pharmacy, the Western New York Society of Health Systems Pharmacy. She worked as an intern for Wegmans Pharmacy throughout her pharmacy career here, and she's accepted a pharmacist position at the Medicine Shop in Medina, New York. Congratulations, Dr. Kelkenberg. Jathia Lewis. Dr. Lewis was a member of the Student National Pharmaceutical Association, the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacists Society of the State of New York, and the Pharmacy Association of Western New York. She worked as an intern for Walgreens all the years she was in school, and she's accepted a position with Walgreens Pharmacy as a pharmacist. Congratulations, Dr. Lewis. Shin-Hang Lee. Dr. Lee is a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacists Society of the State of New York, the Pharmacists Association of Western New York, the American Society of Consultant Pharmacists. She's planning on working as a retail pharmacist after graduation. Congratulations, Dr. Lee. Nare Kwan. Dr. Kwan is a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the Pharmacy Society of the State of New York, and the Pharmacy Association of Western New York. She worked as an intern with Rite Aid Pharmacy and has accepted a position with Rite Aid as a pharmacist. Congratulations, Dr. Kwan. Edward Raymond Wales McGrath. Dr. McGrath was a member of the American Pharmacists Association, the American Society of Health Systems Pharmacists. He has worked as an intern at CVS Pharmacist since 2008. He's accepted a pharmacist position with CVS Pharmacy in Cleveland, Ohio, where he plans to move with his wife and his 2 sons. Congratulations, Dr. Wales McGrath. Michael Grota, another very active student of ours. He's a member of the Western New York Society of Health Systems Pharmacists, the American Society of Consultant Pharmacists, the National Community Pharmacists Association. 2 of his teams, he had a team in 2009 and 2010 for the Pruitt-Schutte Business Plan Competition. Both placed 4th place each year under national competition. Michael also earned a joint degree PharmD MBA, and his future plans will be working for an independent pharmacy in Wisconsin. Congratulations, Dr. Grota. That row may sit.